you say hi? Hi. Hello. Say hi. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Hello. Say hi. I'm a kitty, and I like to talk to everybody. Say hello. Can you give kisses? Can you give me some kisses? Marcus wants to give kisses. Oh, thank you, Marcus. Thank you. Oh, you're too cute. Elo, can you give me kisses? Marcus. Oh, what are you doing? Where's your daddy? Where is he? Oh, stretch. Where's your daddy? Where is he? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Go get him. Go get him. There he is. Yay, Daddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Marcus.
Ow.